Love, love.
Hi everyone, I'm back again with another Pop Sugar must-have box. This is the February Pop Box Sugar. Just came in the mail yesterday and I wanted to see what's inside. I'm here with Jessica, my cousin. She's gonna help me unbox this Pop Sugar box. Let's see what we have for this month. February box. Ooh, a lot of interestingness in this box. Let's see. When we open it up, this will what it looks like. Sorry, I'm covering her. The first thing is this shampoo? Oh, this is a body wash with vitamin boost for healthy and soft skin. Let's see. Oh, there's no descriptions about it, but whatever. So this is what it is. Moisturizer Balance. It's a full size with vitamin B. Cool. Body wash. Our next one is it is a lip gloss or lipstick from Maple. It is a lip gloss and lipstick designed to be worn separately or together. The long-lasting high shine duo is to welcome additional to your handbag. All it takes is a quick swipe and you'll be ready in no time. It's like a neutral color, the pink neutral color. What does it smell like?
I like candy.
It smells like candy? Don't eat it. Don't lick it. I just said don't lick it. Our next one is, it is a hand palm burn 20 hours. It is a travel candle. Travel candle. It is a mini travel candle. For once, you could take your favorite floral scents with you in a car, but don't let its small size fool you. The hand palm candle make the natural vegetable wax had a burn time of 20 hours. This little thing could burn up to 20 hours. It smells very interesting. You want to smell it? What is... It says it smells like vegetable.
Yeah.
Up to 20 hours.
I want it.
You want it? You have it. You can have it. I'm not going to use candle. She's going to use it. Our next one is a face scrub. It is a full-size face scrub. Keep your face in tip-top shape. Make for a concealer blends of oil. It's a spray. Apply 1 or 2 pump onto damp face, neck. May be used along with under, during moisturizer. It's like you could use for the primer, for the base. Next one, fingernails polish. Another one in my collection. Let's see what color. This is from NCLA, Los Angeles. Ooh, it's a burgundy color, a red, a really dark red. Give me your nails. I'll polish your nails. polish. Next one is, ooh, what is this? It comes in a cute box, a light blue box. SUGARWISH. I wonder if it's chocolate. It wraps pretty cute. Always expect something sweet is about to happen. It's not chocolate, it's candy. Hearts candy. I want to try these. It's hard candy. It's not soft. It tastes like cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon.
It tastes like cinnamon. Any more? Is this the last one?
No, you have used
Paper.
Yeah.
This is from the SUGARWISH box. Jelly beans. Picture of a jelly bean, but they didn't send me jelly beans. I get 20% off if I order more candy from them. Go to sugarwish.com. Put in a code and I get free candy. Or no, not free. 20% off of candy. I will put it in the description on the bottom so you could, if you like, you could use it. Any of you could use it.
Yeah.
This is, congratulations, your card is redeemable for $25 off a next purchase. Last but not least, it's I think it's a clutch. Is it from the clutch?
Yeah.
I can't say this word. It's from this brand. It is a hot pink or hot red clutch. I think it's a clutch. Let's open it up. It is a clutch. Or maybe you could put makeup or anything in here too, maybe. But there is 3 compartments with zippers on it. And you just wrap it up. That's it. And I guess this coupon is for it. Congratulations, your card is redeemed for $25 off your next purchase at this brand, which I can't pronounce the name. Enter code below in shopping bag to redeem. I will put this code and this website so if anyone wanted to purchase something from this name brand, you could use my code because I'm not going to be using it. You can have it.
Okay.
Ta-da! Well, that is it for today. Thank you so much. Rồi xong. Tự nhiên chào à. Làm lại.
Rồi nói đi, nói xong báo cáo đi. Rồi.
Well, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my lovable Kimmy video and enjoying me with the Sugar Box February. I will see you next on my next month Pop Sugar Box. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.